Hi there, folks, and welcome to this week's Word Solutions for the Daily Rigour issue number 164. We've now got Boris Johnson sworn in as the next Prime Minister of the United Kingdom. So he received 45,497 more votes than his leadership rival Jeremy Hunt. So first of all, how many votes did he receive? Well, here's the number of votes that his rival got, and he had this much more, so we need to add that on. So he had a winning tally of 92,153 votes. So his share of the votes was 66.4%. What is this figure as a fraction in its simplest form? Well, 66.4% means 66.4 out of 100. Now, when you're trying to simplify a fraction like this, you need the smallest possible whole number that you can get on the top. So the easiest way to make this a whole number is to multiply by 10, so that gives us 664, but we need to multiply the bottom by 10 as well to create an equivalent fraction, so that would be 1000. Now we need to think of the biggest number we can divide top and bottom by, and believe it or not, that's 8. So we can divide 664 by 8 to get 83, and we can divide 1000 by 8 to get 125, and 83 over 125 is that figure in its simplest form. Quite a tricky one there. So if you manage to answer that, I think you've definitely got good mastery on creating and simplifying fractions. Anyway, on to our next story. We've actually got a pub in Bristol, I think it is, putting up their Christmas tree already. So from today, how many days is it until Christmas? Well, let's find out. So this is the 28th of July, so there's 31 days in July, which means there's 3 more to go. We've got all of August, which is another 31 days. All of September, and if you're familiar with the rhyme, you'll know that that's 30 days. There's 31 days in October. There's 30 days in November, and obviously Christmas will take us up to the 25th day, because Christmas Day is on the 25th of December. And that all comes to 150 days. Take the tree down. Anyway, in our sports story, we've got Adam Peaty breaking his own world record for breaststroke. 57.1 seconds was the time. By how much did he beat his 56.88 seconds was the time. 57.1 was his previous time. How much did he beat his own record by? So obviously for this one, we just need to take these two numbers away from each other. But if you were doing this mentally, you'd maybe make it 57.10 and take away 56.88. But anyway, the answer we were looking for was 0.22 seconds. So well done, Adam. A tremendous achievement. So on to our lifestyle story to finish off. So apparently women are missing out on 3 hours of sleep each night in a survey by Benson's for Beds because of their partner snoring. So how much do they miss each year? Give your answer to the nearest day. Okay, so first of all, 3 hours sleep a day times would be 365 because there's 365 days in a year, so that's 1,095 hours of sleep that they miss. We can change this to days by dividing by 24 because there's 24 hours in a day, and that's going to come to 45.625 days. So rounding to the nearest day, 6 is more than 5, so we round this up to be 46 days. So apparently 73% of women in the survey are at their wits' end. So how many women in the survey say that they're at their wits' end? Well, it's 2,000 couples. So that means there's actually 4,000 people in the survey, 'cause 2,000 are men and 2,000 are women, we can assume. So 2,000 women, best way to find 73% is to find 1% by dividing by 100 and then times it by 73. So it's basically going to be 20 times 73, which comes to 1,460 angry women. But anyway, there you go, folks. That was our solutions for this week. Hope you got on okay with the questions. Stay tuned for next week's edition when we're going to be looking at more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching and bye for now.